Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe and leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really awesome garden knife by a company called Perwin, and as you can see, this is what it looks like once you open it up out of the box. So it comes with its nice little case here, which does have a belt buckle, so if you do want to strap this on your pants, you can do that, and then of course it also has a little button here to keep it from sliding out. But once you pull it out, this is what the little knife looks like. It's got obviously a nice wooden handle, which is very comfortable to hold, very, very smooth to utilize. Does have a nice little hook here with a metal insert that makes it easy to hang when you're not utilizing it. And then as you can see, here is the knife itself. Now, why I like this is perfect for things like gardening. You can also utilize it if you're going camping. It makes a great little camping knife. And then even if you're a fisherman, you can also utilize it for all the various different functions that it has on it. So first off, you'll notice on one end you have like a nice serrated blade. This is absolutely perfect for getting through roots or twigs. Just being able to do that kind of cut motion when you are digging in the dirt. Then on the other side, you have basically just a sharp edge blade. Once again, that's great for either clipping off vegetables. You can go ahead and easily cut off little vines and whatnot. Then you're going to have kind of this little cutting edge in here. Now, this is perfect for twine. So if you're doing any gardening, you're needing to prop up plants, you need to quickly cut some twine, you can do that. Also, like I said, if you're taking this with you on fishing, you can utilize that on fishing line. Very, very easy to utilize. Now, on the front side, it does have different measurements. You have the 1 inch, the 2 inch, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once again, you know how deep you're digging. So when you're putting in plants in or you're transplanting plants, because you can easily go around in a circle for transplanting with the different edges, which makes it really, really nice. Then you know how deep it is. And then also you'll notice at the end here, it kind of has this like weeding fork, if you will. So you can get in there, if you got any weeds, you can get in there in the roots and then pull them out with the little fork. Or you could also utilize that for kind of snipping things and cutting it off. So another really great aspect of this. Now, to give you an idea of the size of the little gardening tool here, it is 7 inches by 2 inches. So it's 7 inches long by 2 inches. The handle itself is approximately about 5 inches of the wood-to-wood surface. And then obviously the blade itself is made out of a stainless steel material. It is super, super thick. It's not going to break. It's not brittle or anything like that. It's really, really strong. So it's hard. You can't really bend it or anything like that, which is another nice thing about it. It is very, very solid. And then as you can see, it has 3 rivets in the handle, so it's not going to snap or anything at the wood handle. And the metal goes all the way through the handle. So once again, this is a solid built little gardening knife. But overall, if you are looking for a tool for your garden or maybe take camping, or if you are a fisherman, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.